So we gotta come to check if he's okay. Here's where he fell his first time. Looks like he hit his head right here. Here it is. Oh, it's a lot of throw up. It's a lot of throw up. Come on. Oh shit. Are you okay, man?
No, dude.
Woo. You alright, bro? You fucking you seem wasted. It's slippery. Are you drunk?
Yeah, dude.
He's drunk. You alright, dude?
No.
Look at you. You alright, bro? Whoa! Look at that jackpot. 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 Shit, that shit's splattering everywhere. Whew. 1 second, dude. I'm gonna get... Hey. Woo, shit. Dude, you're throwing up a lot. Do you need to call a cab? That shit is gross. Hey, bro. I gotta. You have to pay for a cab, man. I'm gonna tell the people up front. All right, bro?
Yeah.